Welcome to our channel. Activating a prepaid card at Walgreens is simple and gets your card ready to use right away. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Visit any Walgreens store and locate the prepaid card display. These cards are usually found near the checkout area or in the gift card section. Step 2. Select the prepaid card you want to purchase. Walgreens offers various brands and types of prepaid cards for different purposes. Step 3. Take the prepaid card to the cashier to complete your purchase. Inform them of the amount you want to load onto the card. Step 4. The cashier will scan the card and activate it at the register. Pay for both the card and the amount you're loading using cash, credit, or debit. Step 5. Keep your receipt as proof of purchase and activation. The receipt will include important information like the card number and activation confirmation. Step 6. Sign the back of your prepaid card immediately for security. This helps protect your card in case it's lost or stolen. Step 7. Register your card online if required. Many prepaid cards need to be registered on the issuer's website before you can use them for online purchases. Step 8. Verify that your card is active by checking the balance. You can usually do this on the card issuer's website or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.